This is the brand new chat plugin for your radio station website, and it's completely free. Stay hooked because I'm about to show you how to install it and how to update ProRadio to the latest version 8.1, which includes the chat and many other features. Let's dig into the news. A brand new version of the ProRadio WordPress theme is out, version 8.1, and it's a game changer. This update comes with a free chat plugin for everyone. No subscriptions, no extra licenses, no external services. How to install it? Head to your WordPress dashboard, click ProRadio Admin, and make sure to update both the theme and the plugins. Once done, you'll have the new chat plugin right inside your website. Let's see how it works. Want to add a chat to a page? Edit the page with Elementor. Search for chat, drag the widget into the page, and kaboom! The chat is already there. Publish and test it yourself. Set a custom username, type a message, and why not add your favorite emojis. Last but not least, tick the privacy checkbox. You want users to know their IP is stored for a short while. You know, privacy stuff. The cool part, the chat remembers your nickname and privacy setting, so you can leave it and come back later without re-entering anything. The boring part is over, now you can just type and send. Want to use the chat on multiple pages? No problem. You can even have several chat boxes on the same page. They all work together perfectly. Need to adjust the look and feel? Go back into Elementor and edit the chat widget. Colors, fonts, and layout can all be customized in a few clicks to match your site style with no code at all. Now let's look at the admin side, where the magic happens. On the left menu of your dashboard, you'll find a new item called ProRadio Chat. Click it to open the settings, where you can define exactly how the chat behaves. At the top, you'll see the main configuration options. There's a custom swear word list. The plugin already includes a powerful built-in filter covering 7 languages, but you can easily add your own words if needed. You know how kids are. They always come out with some fancy new word. Next, you'll find the banned IP sections. If someone is acting funny, you can block them with one click and keep your chat clean. Scroll down and you'll see the message log. You can delete unwanted messages or permanently ban spammers right from there. Want an age gate? Just set the minimum year. Users must pick their birth year before entering. It won't stop clever kids, but it adds an extra safety layer. The same method used on drink websites. Then there's an auto-delete time. Messages older than the set duration will be automatically removed to keep the chat tidy and light. At the bottom, you can view message logs. Everything is stored without using the database, so it has zero impact on the site performance. From here, you can delete messages or block users instantly and permanently. That's it. The new Simple Chat plugin is ready for your radio. Easy to install, safe to use, and fully integrated with your site. But let's get back on track and talk about the second big news of this ProRadio 8.1 update, which is Sidekick. As you know, ProRadio Sidekick stores played songs and lets you publish charts in a click, getting the most played, most recent, or most liked songs from your archive. The chart generation feature, along with the Elementor song playlist feature, until now was only able to get tracks based on their published date. This means the songs that were published within a certain time period. The limitation was that songs published weeks ago and played again this week were not available for picking. That's why, a few updates ago, we silently started tracking the last playtime for each song. Now that the times are mature and your site has gathered enough data, we can finally publish the final weapon of Sidekick plugin: song extraction by last playtime. That's a huge win for radios that mix new releases with timeless classics. It means your playlist and ranking can now highlight tracks that are actually spinning on air, even if they were uploaded months ago. Moreover, you can now also create precise charts for all songs played by a specific radio show in the last week. Charts are a fantastic way to grow your station because they keep you connected with the artists, build relationships, and spark engagement. The integrated voting system lets your audience support their favorite songs, driving traffic and word of mouth automatically. And here's the best part. You can generate charts in one click, and then use AI integration to create a full magazine-style article around it, complete with artists, songs, and details. That brings new SEO content, keeps your site fresh and active, and helps your station gain visibility across search engines and social media, all on autopilot. If you want extra control and advanced features, there's also Sidekick Premium, available as a standalone plugin license or included with the new Pro Radio Plus subscription. To enjoy these new features and more, update right now. Updating Pro Radio is super easy. Head to Pro Radio Admin, click the Update button, and follow the instructions on screen. And if your updates and support service expired, no worries. Just contact us and we'll help you extend it. The new Chat and Sidekick Premium are also available with the new Pro Radio Plus subscription, which includes every premium plugin and over 350 extra templates for Elementor, all included at the same price. And if you don't have Pro Radio yet, enjoy a 15% discount with the coupon code RADIO15 at the checkout. Thank you for being with us and for helping us make Pro Radio better every day. See you soon on Pro.Radio.